Welcome to Stay at Home Connect. I'm Phyllis Jackson. COVID-19, a virus we only learned about last year, has now become the leading cause of death in the United States, surpassing heart disease and cancer. Fulton, DeKalb, and Gwinnett seeing the most cases so far statewide, as many Georgia hospitals are approaching capacity with numbers we haven't seen since August. Emory reporting double its hospitalized COVID patients. Northside experiencing a 100% rise in newly admitted patients. I caught up with Dr. Danny Branstetter. He's Wellstar's medical director of infection prevention. Talk to us a little bit about the demographics that you're seeing in terms of cases there at Wellstar throughout that hospital system.
We're still seeing a lot of infections that are coming in later in the course. So around 8 to 10 days of their illness, they're showing up. And unfortunately, this is not just in people who are older or people who have comorbidities. We're seeing young people, we're seeing people a mix of race. So we're still seeing Latino population, we're still seeing the African American population, we're still seeing Caucasians. All are affected by this. And so we're seeing that in our hospitals. We're seeing it requiring just a regular medical floor and medical management all the way up to the ICU level of care. President-elect
Joe Biden says when he takes office in January, he will ask Americans to wear masks for 100 days. Medical experts believe a 100-day timeline will be enough for 100 million of the most vulnerable to get the vaccine. Biden has also asked that Dr. Anthony Fauci stay on and become his chief medical advisor. President-elect Biden says once Dr. Fauci announces that the vaccine is safe, he's willing to take the injection publicly, as are former presidents Obama, Bush, and Clinton. Researchers at Georgia State University say an antiviral drug developed to treat influenza is showing promise against the coronavirus. It suppresses the transmission of COVID-19 in ferrets within 24 hours. The medication is now part of clinical trials for patients who are currently hospitalized. Right now, remdesivir is the only FDA-approved antiviral for COVID. Atlanta Public Schools hosts a live town hall to announce a January 2021 plan to return to in-person learning.
If we see a pattern of increase in the surge, we will pause and take need or notice of what we must do. But our intent is to move towards a reopening. But we cannot do that unless we can commit to effective mitigation strategies.
APS Superintendent Dr. Lisa Herring says families will still have the option of virtual instruction. Parents will need to fill out an intent to return form by December 21st. The Atlanta City Council reminds you to vote during the general election runoff. December 7th is the deadline to register to vote. Early voting begins December 14th. If you are a movie fan, Warner Brothers has a Christmas present for you.
There's something happening. In the next year, Warner Brothers Pictures is bringing you the biggest premieres.
So this is the Suicide Squad.
In theaters and streaming exclusively on HBO Max. The exact same day.
Grab your popcorn. Streaming begins December 25th.
We'll see you on the next episode of Stay at Home Connect.